Okay, dear students, most welcome to your video. I think everyone is fine and I am fine too now. Let's go to the video. Dear students, we have not studied GK in the last 1 year, but after the 1 year we start learning again. You have just entered the new class. Okay, you are very happy. Okay, let us move on to our subject. I asked to you a question. Why are we studying GK? Why are we studying GK? It develops students' social sensitive reasoning and analytical thinking skills. Okay, it develops students' social sensitive reasoning and analytical thinking skills. Okay, therefore GK should give the same importance to other subjects. Okay, next question. What we study in GK? What we study in GK? Social knowledge, culturally and artistically encompassing all over the world. Famous events, famous people, scientific knowledge. All of this is contained in this book. Okay, social knowledge, culturally and artistically encompassing all over the world. Famous events, famous people, scientific knowledge. All of this is contained in this book. Okay, very little of this given in your book. They are the world around us, the world books, playing the game, art and culture, young scientists, India Unlimited, around the world. Okay, one more, the world around us, in the world books, playing the game, art and culture, young scientists, India Unlimited, around the world. Okay. Our first chapter is the world around us. Our first chapter, the world around us. There are divided into four main parts. First one plant habitats, second one animal habitats and animal senses, last marine life. Okay. First one plant habitats, animal habitats, animal senses and marine life. Okay. First one plant habitats. We have very different plants all around us. Okay, some climb to the ground and some grow slightly below the ground. There are some that grow very high and some that grow at the desert. But they are very productive and flowering. There are just a few of them. There are a few pictures. Other plants find out what they are and select the correct answer from the list below. Okay, one more. We have very different plants all around us. Some climb to the ground and some grows slightly below the ground. There are some that grow very high and some that grow in the desert. But others are very productive and flowering. Here are just a few of them. There are a few pictures of the plants. Find out what they are and select the correct answer from the list below. Okay, I can read plant habitats name. Okay, elephant foot plant, mistletoe, ocotilo, mangroves, fig tree and sugar maple. Okay, dear students, the answer is given on the last page. Okay, you can check again. And next one, animal habitats. There are many animals and birds in nature with different lifestyles in a different climate. There are those who live in extreme cold and heat. Okay, I can read. Badger, free lizard, reindeer, looper, opossum and Canada lynx. Okay, one more. Badger, frill lizard, reindeer, looper, opossum, and Canada lynx. Okay. They also have different diets. Let us got appertained with them. What you are given to learn here is about 6 creatures. Okay, first one, badger. This animal is one of the fastest burrowing animals. It sleeps for most part of the day. Okay, second one, frill lizard. To appear threatening, opens its mouth wide and unveils a wide frill which makes it look bigger. Okay, third one, reindeer. This animal lives in Arctic tundra, North America and Asia. It can lower its temperature in the legs to just above breathing point to minimize the loss of body heat. Okay, and fourth one, looper. It cuts bits of leaves from the plants on which it lives. And fifth one, opossum. It can eat almost anything, due to which it is known as nurse's sanitation engineer. Okay, sixth one, Canada lynx. It has earned the nickname of shadow of the forest. Okay. And the third one, animal senses. Okay. Dolphin, cat, camelot, starfish, butterfly, mole. Okay. Animals have senses to detect what is going on around them. We have the same 5 main senses as many animals: sight, hearing, smell, taste and touch. Our main senses is sight. Some other animals all detect what we cannot, like pulses of electricity. Okay? Can detect what we cannot, like pulses of electricity. I can read one more, please listen. Dolphin, cat, camelot, starfish, butterfly and mole. Okay, last one, marine life. There are many creatures that live in the lower reaches of the sea, and their food bases in the extreme cold air. Creatures living in the sea have different shapes, sizes and colors. Okay, there are many creatures that live in the lower reaches of the sea, and their food bases in the extreme cold. Their creatures living in the sea have different shapes, sizes and colors. Okay, dear students, our first chapter is over. First chapter, the world around us. They are divided into 4 parts. First one, plant habitats. Second, animal habitats, animal senses and marine life. Okay, I hope you understand the student. Thank you everyone. Okay.